Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your syllabus which is trigonometric identities. Now in today class we also take the same chapter, same topic and we take and solve some previous year board examination question of your syllabus. Okay dear students. So please concentrate on that topic. Now let's see. First, we take some previous year board examination questions which are coming in your previous year exam course board examination question. Now, let's see. We take a very important question of your syllabus. Let's see, dear students. If cot theta plus tan theta, okay? If cot theta plus tan theta is equal to x and sec theta minus cos theta and sec theta minus y theta minus cos theta is equal to y. Okay dear students, this is the question here. We take here if cot theta plus tan theta is equal to x and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to what? Y. Okay, now then prove that x square y to whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square to whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Okay dear students, this is the question here. This is a very important question of your syllabus dear students. Here the value of x and y are given and we have to show that the x square y to whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square to whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Now what I do for that question dear student? So first we simplify the value of x and y. Then after we take the LHS and we put the values of x and y in the given result. Then we got our result. Okay. So let's see its solution. Now first of all, let's see its solution. We take, since first of all we have x is equal to what? This is cot theta plus tan theta. Okay dear students, now we just simplify them. So we can write cot theta as 1 upon tan theta, okay, using identity, and tan theta write as it is. We take as 1. So we take the LCM of both is tan theta. So this is 1 plus tan square theta upon tan theta. And you know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. So here we write as what? Sec square theta upon tan theta. Okay dear friends. Now we convert into the sine and cosine. So we get as x is equal to sec square 1 upon cos square theta, and this is tan is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. That is the value of x is what? Cos theta upon this is sine theta into cos square theta. So cos cancel into each other. Thus the value of x, the value of x is given as sine theta upon sine theta into cos theta. 1 upon sine theta into cos theta. This is the value of x. Okay dear students, similarly we solve the value of y. Okay, now let's see. And the value of y as what? This is sec theta minus cos theta. This is the value of y now. Now what I do? Now we just write y is equal to sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta and minus cos theta write as it is. Now we take the LCM. So we take LCM cos the 1 minus this is cos square theta. And yes, you know that 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta. So here we put that value. 1 minus cos square as what? Sin square theta upon cos theta. Okay. Thus, in this way, we get the value of y as what? Sin square theta upon cos theta. So, thus, dear students, first of all, we simplify them, and hence we get the values of x and y. Okay, dear students, now what I do? Let's see. So in this way we get the value of, now we take the left hand side of the given question and we just put the values of x and y. Okay, now so let's see once more time. Dear students, first of all we have the value of x as cot x plus tan theta, cot theta plus tan theta. Now we know that the value of cot theta is what? 1 upon tan theta. The value of cot theta is what? 1 upon tan theta and 1 plus tan theta, right, as it is. Okay, dear friends. Now we taking their LCM, so we get what? Sec square theta plus tan square theta. After that we convert it into the sine and cosine. Then after simplify them we get the value of x as 1 upon sine theta into cos theta. Okay, after that we also have the value of y as sec theta minus cos theta. Okay, and here we write sec theta using identity. We write 1 upon cos theta and cos theta right as it is. Okay, now after taking the LCM and we simplify, then we get 1 minus cos square theta, and yes, 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta na upon cos theta is equal to, that is y is equal to what? Sin square theta upon cos square theta. This is a very important and interesting question. Now in this way we have the values of x and y. We got the value of x and y. Okay, dear students, now what I do? Now we take LHS. Now we take left hand side of the equation, so we get this is x square y to whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square to whole power 2 by 3. Okay, this is the left hand side. Now we put the values of x and y in the given. Now we put the value of x. So the value of x is what? This is this. So we write as 1 upon sin square into cos square, because of here x square na. So we write as sin square theta into cos square theta into the value of y is what? This is sin square theta upon cos theta, and to whole power 2 by 3 right as it is. 2 by 3 right as it is. Okay, now minus. Let's see here. Now again here we put the value of x and y. Okay, so let's see. So we get the value of x, we write simply 1 upon sin theta into cos theta into y square. The value of y square is what? This is here we write y sin to the power 4 na. Okay, sin to the power 4 theta upon this is cos square theta. Cos square theta to whole power what? 2 by 3. Now dear student, in this way we just put the values of x and y in the given expressions. Now why we simplify them? Let's see here. This is sin square theta is what? Cancel to each other. Here let's see, sin, one sin cancels, so cube is left. Thus let's see, thus dear student, let's see here. Thus we get here, let's see here, 1 upon cos cube. This is 1 upon cos cube theta to whole power 2 by 3 minus here what I get, this is cos sin cube upon, this is sin cube theta upon, this is cos square cos theta into this is cos cube theta to whole power 2 by 3. Okay, dear students, now we just apply use the laws of exponent. So we can write as 1 upon cos theta to whole power 3 into 2 by 3. Here minus we write sin theta upon cos theta to whole power 3 into 2 by 3. Now 3 cancel to each other, 3 also here cancel to each other. So we get what? Let's see. Now let's see, dear students. Now, the 1 upon cos is what? Sec. So we write sec into and square. So we can write what? Sec square theta minus sin upon cos is what? 10, na? Sin upon cos is what? 10. So here we write 10 square theta. We get 10 square theta. And since we know that, dear student, if 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta, that is time transfer that side. So sec square theta minus 10 square theta is equal to 1. So using that identity, so the value of sec square theta minus 10 square theta is 1. So we can write as 1. This is your RHS, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, dear students. Thus, dear students, in this way, this is the method to solve that type of questions. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topics. So please, dear students, do more and more practices. Okay, so this is a very important question. Okay, dear students, please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Because of these, this is the very important question of your syllabus. Okay, dear students, now we take some other important question based on your syllabus. Okay, let's see, dear students. Let's see, dear students. We take some other important question of your syllabus. And the question is, if this very important question, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to x, suppose, and this is the given, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to x, prove that sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta is equal to 4 minus 3 x square minus 1 whole square upon 4. 4 minus 3 x square minus 1 whole square upon 4. Okay, this is the question here. This is a very important question of your syllabus. So please concentrate on that question. Let's see its solution. First of all, we write we have the value of sin theta plus cos theta is equal to x. Now, first of all, we take squaring both sides. Okay. Now, taking square both sides. Both sides we get, because of we find some relationship between x and theta. Okay, let's see. Taking squaring both sides, we get what? Let's see. First of all, we write in this way: sin theta plus cos theta is equal to whole square, that is x square. Now let's see. Now we expand it using the identity a plus b whole square. So what I get is, let's see, this is a square plus b square plus this is 2ab, okay, is equal to x square. The value of sin square plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta plus into cos theta is equal to x square. Now we transfer 1 that side, so we get what? X square minus 1, that is the value of sin theta into cos theta is equal to x square minus 1 upon 2. Take equation number 1. Okay, dear students, so First of all, we taking squaring both sides, taking square both sides and simplify them. When we simplify them, then we get a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to, that is x square, and here the value of sin square plus cos square is 1, so we write 1, okay, plus 2 sin into cos is equal to x square. Now what I do here, now we transfer 1 that side, so we get 2 sin into cos is equal to x square minus 1, x square minus 1, okay dear students. Now we transfer to that side, that is sin theta into cos theta is equal to x square minus 1 upon 2, x square minus 1 upon 2, okay dear students. Now in this way we have a relation, we get a relation between sin into cos is equal to x square minus 1 upon 2. Now what I do, let's see. Now we take the left hand side of the given question, because we proved that this is equal to this now, so we are taking left hand side, okay. Now let's see dear students. Now take left hand side, take left hand side of the given question, which is what, sin cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, okay. So first of all we write the given expression in this way. We can write this is let's see, this is, we write a cube plus b cube. Now here we using the identity of a cube plus b cube. The expression identity of x cube plus a cube means what, a plus b in one bracket, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, means the value of a is sin square theta and the value of b is what, cos square theta. So here a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket this is a square, means this is a square plus b square, okay, minus ab, means for a means sin square theta into b means cos square theta, okay, a square plus b square minus ab. Now the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what, 1. The value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 now. So here what I write, we write 1 into. Now here we using the identity, which identity, you know that a square plus b square is equal to, we can write a plus b square whole square minus 2ab. We write in this way na, कि a square plus b square, we can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here we using the same identity, so we can write this is the form of a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta. So a plus, we can write a square minus b square into the form of a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here we write a plus b whole square minus 2ab, means 2 into a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta, 2a into b. Okay dear students, so this is the method. Here we can write, here we using the identity a plus a square plus b square, we can write a plus b whole square, the value of a is sin square theta and the value of b is what, cos square theta. So a plus b whole square minus 2a into b means 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta, okay, and minus sin square theta cos square theta, write as it is. Let's see, minus. Now let's see dear friends, here we have, this is the value of, this is 1, okay, so we write as 1 minus, let's see, this is sin square theta cos square theta, this is also, so minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. So we have minus 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta, okay dear friends. Now what I do, now we put the value, now using equation 1, now using equation 1, so 1 minus the value of sin into cos is what, x square minus 1, so 3 into x square minus 1 whole square upon 2 to the 4. Because of here this is square now, so we can write sin into cos whole square. So we write 3 into x square minus 1 whole square upon 4. Now we take 4 as LCM, so we get what? So this is 4 minus 3 x square minus 1 whole square, okay, whole upon 4. This is our right hand side, hence proof. Hence proof. Okay dear student, so this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So let's see once more time. Dear student, first of all we have the value. We have the value as sin theta plus cos theta is equal to what? X. This is the given value. Now we have to show that this. Okay. So for that, first of all we have this relation. Now we squaring both sides. We take squaring both sides. We take squaring both sides. So we get a plus b whole square is equal to x square. Okay. Now we expand it using the identity a plus b whole square. So let's see a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to, this is x square. Now the value of sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, and this is right as it is, and we write x square as it is. Now we want to transfer that side, so we find from there we find the value of sin into cos. Okay. Now dear friends, we take the left hand side of the given equation, and here we using the algebraic identities we form in this way. Now again here we using the identity we write in this way, and now after that we put the value of sin into cos and simplify them, we get our result. So dear students, in this way, first of all do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your syllabus based on the trigonometric identities. Now we take and solve one more question, some important question of your syllabus, okay, based on the identity. Okay dear students, let's see dear students, we take some other important question of your syllabus. Let's see. Let's see, dear friends. Now we take one more question based on the identity. Prove that, this is the very important question which previous year board examination question here. Prove that 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta. This is a very important question of your syllabus. Okay. Now let's see its solution. First of all, here we take left hand side. Left hand side is what? 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta plus this is cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Okay. Now what I do? It is always in sine and cosine, so just we take the LCM of their denominator. Okay, and we simplify them. Let's see. So if we take the LCM of the denominator, we take as what, cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now here cos cancel to each other, so here we get 1 minus sin, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta multiply to each other, so we get 1 plus sin theta whole square plus here 1 plus sin, 1 plus sin cancel to each other, so cos into cos is what, cos square theta. This is cos square theta. Now we expand 1 plus sin square theta use based on the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab means 2 sin theta, and plus cos square theta write as it is. Okay dear friends, and in denominator we write cos theta in bracket 1 plus sin theta. Let's see, here we write as cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now let's see here, sin square theta cos square theta we take together, and the values of sin square plus cos square is 1, so we have 1 plus 2 sin theta upon cos theta in bracket 1 plus sin theta. Now here 1 what, yeah 2, so we write as what, 2 plus 2 sin theta upon, this is cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now we take 2 is common from the numerator, so we get what, 1 plus sin theta upon, this is cos theta into this is 1 plus sin theta. Now let's see, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is what, cancel to each other, so we get what, 2 into 1 upon cos theta, and you know that the identity 1 upon cos theta is equal to what, sec theta. So dear student, here we have what, 2 sec theta, hence this is our result as RHS, hence proved. Okay, so dear student, this is the method to solve that type of question. Okay dear students, let's see once more time, because of this is the very important question of your syllabus. Okay, let's see dear student once more time that question. Here this is the given question, 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec theta. Okay dear students, now what I do for that question, first of all we take the LCM of their denominator, we take the LCM of their denominator, so we get this. Okay, this cos into 1 plus sin theta. Okay dear students, and after that we just write in this way, and we expand this based on the NTA plus b whole square, so we just simplify them, so we get cos sin here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 as 2, and always here we, what is here, 2 sin theta write as it is. Now here 1 but 2, so we take 2 as common, so we get 1 plus sin theta upon cos into 1 plus sin theta. Now there's 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is cancelled to each other, so we get what, 2 into 1 upon cos theta, and you know that the identity 1 upon cos theta as sec theta, so hence this is our required result. So dear students, first of all you learn each and every identities of trigonometry based on that chapter is very important for you, because of without learning the algebraic identity you can't solve any questions based on that topics. Okay, so first of all you learn each and every algebraic trigonometric identities, and do more and more practices of each and every question of your NCERT exercise or previous year. Also you solve previous year board examination questions based on trigonometric identities. Okay dear students, now dear students, in next class we take and revise some other important topic of your syllabus, and we take some important questions which are coming in your previous we solved some previous year board examination question also. Okay dear students, now thanks to all.